Hi everyone, welcome to our Percona community channel. In today's video, we will explore Percona Everest, an exciting open source Clonati project. I will show you how you can contribute to the documentation of Percona Everest, and it will also help you to do the same in other open source projects. Percona Everest is an open source Clonati project. It's a platform where you can create databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, and run them on Kubernetes clusters. You can also manage your databases on different cloud providers and execute tasks like backups and restores, and monitor all your databases. Let's start by opening the documentation for Percona Everest. Here, you will find all the information about Percona Everest, including release notes, features, a quick start guide, installation in different cloud providers, and instructions on how to install Percona Everest CLI. Right now, we are located in the Welcome to Percona Everest section, and I found this acronym, DBAS. Since I don't remember what DBAS means, and this could happen to others as well, I will suggest adding the meaning of this acronym in the documentation as Database as a Service to make the paragraph more understandable. To achieve this, click the icon in the top left corner of this page to edit this section of the documentation easily. Clicking the icon will direct you to the Percona Everest doc repository on GitHub, specifically to this page. Here you can edit the content, submit proposals, or make changes, and then send them as a pull request for the maintainers to review and approve. In this case, I will look for the word DBAS and add its meaning in parentheses. Database as a service. After this, I can commit the changes by adding a commit message and a description. Click on Propose Changes. It will show that GitHub forked the project in your personal GitHub account and created a new branch called Patch 5. This branch contains just the change we made for the DBAS word, and it is the one we want to merge into the original repository of Percona Everest doc. And click on Create Pull Request. We confirm the title and the description of this pull request, and finally click in the button Create Pull Request. Some internal checks have to be run for this branch, looking if there is conflict and if everything is okay with your change. And it's okay. You just need to wait for a maintainer of Percona Everest to validate your contributions and merge your changes. That's it. You can do this with any open source project like Kubernetes, Docker, Prometheus, Apache Airflow, or others. When you contribute to documentation, ensure your intentions and feedback are positive and meaningful. Work on making real improvements that help clarify and improve the documentation. Don't forget to give us a star in our cool open source project Percona Everest, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to make your first contribution to open source through documentation, and see you in the next one.